Hello everybody, this is Daniel.Kennedy from Steadfast Construction and Design. We are here at week 7 at Amanda's abode, and we're here to show you what we've been up to these last 7 weeks. We've really smashed the job out. We've had a few hurdles which we managed to overcome, and it hasn't really affected the schedule of the job. We're on week 7 and we've just finished the plastering and mist coat, so now we're moving on to the first fix. In fact, we've already started some of the second fix, so I'm going to show you what we've been up to, and you can see some of the outside works as well. So out the front here, there's been a bit of movement. We've moved the meters from the inside to the outside just to create a bit more room and make sure that that front bedroom is a bit more homely and it's not more less of a utility room and more of a bit of living space. Coming into the property now, we've plastered, we've skimmed, we've boarded. These have got 2 coats of this mist coat plaster. We first fixed electric, and you can see there that everything is done. We put the en-suites in. First fix drainage has been done as well. Great thing about the plastering is that because it splits down the team, we can do multiple jobs and then they don't really get affected in terms of the time scale. Again, unit number 2. First fix is done. Some of the second fix in here is done as well. Coming into the kitchen now, this has got plastered today. So you can see the fans are on to dry out the plaster over the weekend, and the plaster is going to come back and sand and mist coat. I'm going to take you down into the basement because we've had a little bit of extra work to the basement. We've got the boiler in as well, so we've got the plant room all done. Remember, this is only week 7. This property has the issue of the wet basement and the ground water coming up, so we have installed a sump pump to lower the water levels, and then once this dries out it should be fine. Now that it's turned on, just needs the occasional sweep here and there. Here you've got the tank. We've got a standard unvented cylinder system with a pump. This is a 350 litre Telford horizontal cylinder to provide adequate water to the whole property. What we did is, because there was water coming in from this wall, we have put a DPC behind the wall, then we've used engineered bricks. We've also put a bitumen layer. We've built this little platform because the basement is still getting wet, and we have put a pad in there, so we put a DPC and insulation as if it was just you were building on any normal property, and then you've got engineered bricks around these sides. So this is fully protected, and then with the sump pump there's absolutely zero danger of this being damaged by the actual water. And then you've got the overflow pipe which is there, which will expel the water to be collected by the sump pump and pumped out. Right, let me go outside because there's been a lot of work done outside as well. Let me go upstairs first. So we've got this unit here as well at the back. This is the biggest unit in the house, bar the loft conversion that we did. And again, you've got your white walls. Some of the first fix, second fix, electrics have been done. This is where the tank was going to be originally, but the client was happy to listen to our advice and let us put it in the basement, meaning this is a bigger room and also a nice bathroom. Again, copy paste of the unit below. You've got a utilities duct there that got done today. We go for the same on all our sites, which is brushed steel, just because it's nice, it holds up well. Bit different from my usual electrics is that the client wants supply boards and TVs, so that's the little extra that they're having on this one, something we're more than able to facilitate. Here we've got the front bedroom that has been reduced in size due to the stairs. So if you look, we've got a lovely piece of art right here, done by one of the plasterers. We bonded it out, boarded it, and then created a space there for more storage, maximising this fairly small room then you got a tea station back there. And then I don't know if you could notice, but here you've got the bulkhead because we've lowered the floors of the whole entire first floor, because up here we've also done a loft conversion. So bearing in mind this is week 7 and we lost a week because we had a break-in on site and tools robbed. So week 7 we've done a loft conversion. We have first fixed, nearly second fixed electrics up here. We put in 3 Velux windows. We've studded out 6 bathrooms and did the first fixed drainage. And there we have it, week 7, loft conversion done, all the structural work's done, lowered the ceilings, new floor joists, new steels are in, new floors, boarded the whole property, plastered the whole property, first fix plumbing and electrics. Now half second fix electrics have been done. We're moving on to the radiators and putting in the bathrooms next week and the week after. When the doors arrive, we'll start the chippy second fix as well. And then it's decorating and carpets. So moving along. Don't see us being here any longer, subject to the materials arriving, any longer than 4 weeks, 5 weeks, which is obviously great news for the client and great news for us, because then we can move on to the next job and smash that out. Right, cheers, follow and like for more.